Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video, I want to take you through my journey of learning English language. How did I learn English language? So if I talk about from very beginning, when I wasn't aware about English language, but I was interested in English language. And I used to say that, I used to think that one day I will learn English language. And one thing, I had my inner voice, and it used to say that you should learn English language. Whatever work I used to do, it used to say that you should not do this thing. You should learn English language. Yes, and I used to say that no one speaks English language, no one thinks, no one values English language. What is the meaning of what is the use of English language? I used to say, but I was interested, so I thought that okay, we should learn English language. Then I started just learning, and I was very interested. I used to watch videos, I used to write, I used to listen, I used to speak as well. So what happened actually, I started just learning so many things about grammar and rules, and a lot of things. I started learning vocabularies, but at those days I did not used to speak English language, because at those days, I didn't have so much vocabulary, I didn't have a knowledge about the rules of grammar. So at those days I wasn't aware about how to speak English language, right? And I used to watch of English language, people used to speak English language, and I used to just translate. I used to translate each and every word, even because I was not able to understand anything about English. So I used to just translate, and then I used to know what is the actual meaning of this thing, and I used to write in my notebook all the meanings. Okay, and after some time, when I just learned some of the things about English language, tenses and grammar and vocabulary, then I started just going little far from my village for speaking English language, and then I started speaking broken English. And at that time, what happened actually, I didn't have anyone. I didn't have anyone for you know speaking with me. I was alone, but I have a different type of habit of speaking with myself. Like if there is no one, so still I can speak English language, you know easily. There is no any problem. And if there is no one, so still I can speak English language with myself. So the same thing I did. This thing helped me a lot. And after just doing these kind of things every single day, I was exposed by the people so many times, because I used to speak English language alone. I used to have my phone only, but I did not used to use this like I am talking to someone else, like in this way. I used to just use in a simple way, but I used to speak orally. Okay, and people used to judge me, and they used to ask, why do you wander here, what you are doing here, what kind of things you do, and why do you walk a lot? I used to say I like to walk. Yes, and I used to just every single morning I used to go outside for speaking English language, but not for a long time, for not for hours and hours. And because of that thing, today I am unable to speak fluently. So at those days, many types of incident happened to me. I'm speaking, sometimes I'm speaking alone, and people are just coming from somewhere, and I am just about to expose, you know and people just used to ask me that why are you walking and why are you talking alone. Yes, and I used to say that I didn't know that what to say or what not to say, because speaking alone is quite something different, something unique. So those things I used to do. So I used to just search quite desolate area, like alone area. Okay, there is no one, so that I could speak English language easily. There should not be any problem. Okay, even I want to share with you an incident. Actually what happened, there is my elder uncle. So when I used to speak English language every single day outside, I used to go and I used to speak English language on the same road. So he just noticed me while going every single day on the same road and speaking. Then he thought that I am speaking, I'm just talking to someone else. I mean, he was thinking that I'm talking to someone like, are you getting the point? Yes, what I want to say. So, so what happened? He just complained to my mother, like, your son is talking to someone else, and don't send him at that place every day. Otherwise, he will be wondering, and he he can do something different. He can do, I mean, something wrong. Then my mother, when I just went to home, when I went home, then my mother asked me that she said that I have heard something about you. And I said that, what did you hear? And she said, actually, she asked me that, she said that, are you talking to someone else? I said, what are you talking about? I mean, I'm just, I'm going there only because of learning something. I'm learning something, okay? So that is why I'm just going there. uh, there is no any type of thing, I'm just learning there. Then I asked her that, who is that person who said this? Then, I said that, just take me to the person who said this. Then my mother took me to that person, and then I convinced him that I am not going there for this reason, but I am going there only for learning English language. And I didn't mention that I am going there for learning English language, but I said that I am going there for learning something. Okay. So then I just, I left that place, and I used to go somewhere else for speaking English language. Then I start just speaking at that place, right? And if I talk about my fluency, why I am not so fluent. So, I did not used to speak English language hours and hours at that time as well. I used to speak English language for 2 hours, 1.5 hour. Sometimes I did not used to speak English language at all. And because of that, today I am struggling. Today I am just improving my English language. Sorry for making mistakes. If I may have made, some types of mistakes in grammar and any other type of mistakes. So just sorry for that. And I'm improving. Okay. So so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you may liked my journey of learning English language. So thank you for watching.